Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Ardhiansyah and my student number is 1924063 and my study program is Information System for University Binasarana Informatika Purwokerto. And I will explain what's inside the computer. Yes, introduction inside the computer, exploring the component of a computer system. Wait, nice. The what inside a computer? A computer consists of various hardware components that work together to process and store data. These components include the CPU, memory, storage device, input-output device, and the motherboard. And the first component is Central Processing Unit or CPU. The CPU is the brain of the computer, responsible for executing instruction and performing calculation. It consists of the arithmetic logic unit or LU and the control unit or CU. And the second is memory. Memory have two types, namely RAM and ROM. RAM or random access memory is volatile memory used for temporary data storage. And the second is ROM or read-only memory, non-volatile memory that stores permanent instruction. Next. And the third component is storage device. Yeah, storage device have two types again, and it's HDD and SSD. The first is HDD or hard disk drive. It's used spinning disk to store data, slower but cost effective. And the second is SSD is solid state drive. Use flash memory for faster data access and better performance. Next. And this is input and output device. Input device is allow user to enter data. Example is keyboard and mouse. And the second is output device. The output device is display or output data. Example is monitor and printer. Next. And this is the motherboard and connectivity. The motherboard connects all computer components and allow communication between them. It contains ports for input or output device and expansion slots. And last, yeah, summary and key takeaways. Inside the computer, various hardware components work together to process, store, and display data. Understanding these components help in optimizing and troubleshooting computer system. And yeah, maybe it's my explanation about inside the computer. And see you next time. Thank you for listening. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Firman Ardhiansyah and my student number is 1924063 and my study programs is Information System for University Binasarana Informatika Purwokerto. And this time I will explain about software and operating system. First, introduction to software. Software is a set of instruction, data, or program used to operate computers and perform specific tasks. It can be categorized into system software and application software. Types of software is have two types, is application and system of software. The first application software is performs your specific task. Example is Office and web browser. And the number two is system software is manage hardware and system resource. Yes, this example is operating system and drivers. Next, yes. What is an operating system? An operating system, or OS, is system software that manages computer hardware, software resource, and provides common service for application programs. Next, function of an operating system. First is processing management. It handles running applications. And number two is memory management. It's manage RAM and virtual memory. And the number three is system management. It's organize and stores data. And the number four is device management. It's control peripherals like printers and drives. And the number five or last is user interface. Provides a way for user to interact, or CLI and GUI. Is last year example for a popular operating system. And number one is Microsoft Windows. Yes, it's widely used on personal computers. And the number two is Mac OS. Yeah, Mac OS is Apple's OS for Mac computers. And the number three, Linux. Yes, Linux is open source and customizable. And the number four is Android. Yeah, it's very, very popular. Yeah, it's mobile OS by Google. And the number five and last is iOS. iOS is, yeah, iPhone. It's mobile OS by Apple. Yeah, maybe this my explanation and presentation about operating system. And yeah, see you. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.